Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Yearn Finance, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Yearn Finance website. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid scams. Look for the Get Started or Connect Wallet button on the homepage. Click on that button to initiate the wallet connection process. You will need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. If you don't have a wallet, install the MetaMask extension or app. Follow the setup instructions to create and fund your wallet. Once your wallet is ready, return to the Yearn Finance website. Select the option to connect your wallet. Authorize the connection in your wallet application. After connecting, you will have access to Yearn Finance features. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available options. Choose a strategy you wish to engage with, such as lending or yield farming. Follow any prompts to initiate your chosen strategy. Make sure to review the transaction fees and potential returns. Confirm your selections and authorize transactions through your wallet. Wait for the transactions to process on the blockchain. Once completed, monitor your investments through the dashboard. Consider exploring the Yearn community for ongoing support and updates. Congratulations, you are now registered and participating with Yearn Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.